Hello, this is the unboxing of 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray plus digital code limited edition collectible steelbook of Disney's live action Dumbo. This is exclusive to Best Buy, and my Best Buy, when I went right after opening 10-15 minutes, they only had 2 copies. I'm very excited for this release. I can't wait to unbox it and see the beauty of this steelbook. I have not seen the movie yet, and I know it did not get the best reviews, but I'm extremely excited to watch the movie. I really loved the trailer. I loved the style, Tim Burton's style, and the way he makes his movies. So let's see. First of all, that's the front Dumbo. Oh, after I take the plastic off, we can see it better how nice embossed that is. And this is the back. A sight to behold. A Disney legend returns for a whole new generation. Acclaimed director Tim Burton presents the reimagined Dumbo. Dreams soar all the way to the big top when a baby elephant and can fly saves the day. Includes the 4K Ultra HD and the Blu-ray. The Blu-ray has the bonus extras, which deleted scenes, Easter eggs on parade, clowning around bloopers, and behind the scenes look at the magic of Dumbo and more. They could have put more special features. Alright, let's see. Going to open very carefully. Probably I need a new blade in this. Alright. Beautiful. I don't like when they use these stickies. Oh, but this one comes off pretty easily, so that's great. Alright, so this is the front. Beautiful embossing there, if you can see. Very cool. I love this embossing. And this is the back, and the back is embossed also. Look at that. Awesome. Let me see if I can show the front. Beautiful. And this is the spine. It looks like that these little hinges are embossed, but they are not. But that would be cool. Alright. Let's open this up. Take the code out. And let's see. Beautiful inside. I adore this steelbook edition. Beautiful. So we have the 4K Ultra HD disc. Very cute. And this is the only edition that has the artwork on the Blu-ray discs. Sometimes they don't come out that easy. And this is the inside artwork. Very nice, like vintage style circus drawings. You can see the embossing on the inside too. Very nice. I'm very happy with this release. I hope you like it too. I love the special Blu-ray artwork. I think this is just very cute. So, and this is the 4K. This is why doesn't it close? Alright, like This is the 4K Ultra HD Best Buy exclusive steelbook of Dumbo. Thanks for watching.